Imagine earning six figures without creating a single piece of content. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Now, before you dismiss this as another internet fairy tale, let's take a moment to explore the intriguing possibility that lies before us. There's no denying that the world of online entrepreneurship is saturated with content. Everywhere we turn, we're bombarded with blogs, podcasts, videos, and social media posts. It's a never-ending cycle of content creation, and it can be exhausting. But what if I told you that you could break free from this content treadmill and still earn a substantial income? Admittedly, the notion of earning without creating content may sound counterintuitive, even improbable. After all, we've been conditioned to believe that content is king, that it's the lifeblood of online business. And while there's truth to that, it's not the only way to make money on the internet. In the vast digital landscape, there exists a realm where content creation is not a prerequisite for financial success. A space where you can play a different game, one that involves strategy, insight, and a keen understanding of the market. A game that could lead you to the coveted six-figure income without the pressure of constant content creation. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. And I get it. The skepticism is natural, even healthy. But before you write this off as a pipe dream, I urge you to stick with us, to keep an open mind, and to explore the possibility that lies ahead. This isn't about quick schemes or dubious shortcuts. It's about a legitimate, proven strategy that has been employed by many successful entrepreneurs. A strategy that leverages the power of curation, of aggregation, and of understanding what the market wants and needs. So, are you intrigued? Are you ready to discover a new pathway to financial success? Stay with us as we uncover the secret to earning six figures without creating any content. Your journey to financial freedom could be just around the corner. Content creation is not the only way to make money. Welcome to the world of content curation. Let's take a moment to define content curation. It's the process of gathering, organizing, and presenting information relevant to a particular topic or area of interest. Think of it as a museum curator. They don't create the art, they select, organize, and present it in a way that creates a meaningful experience for the visitors. Now, contrast this with content creation, which is the process of generating new, original content. This could be writing a blog post, creating a video, designing an infographic, and so on. While content creation is a crucial aspect of digital marketing, it's not the only game in town. Content curation can be just as effective, and sometimes even more so. Why is this? Well, we live in an age of information overload. Every minute, hundreds of hours of videos are uploaded to YouTube, thousands of blog posts are published, and millions of tweets are sent. It's impossible for anyone to keep up with this flood of information. That's where content curation comes in. Content curation helps cut through the noise. It provides value by saving people time and effort. Instead of having to sift through countless sources to find relevant information, they can rely on a trusted curator to do the work for them. It's a win-win situation. The audience gets high-quality, relevant content, and the curator can build a solid reputation and potentially earn a good income. And the best part is, you don't have to be the one creating all the content. You just need to be good at finding, organizing, and presenting it. By curating content, you can establish yourself as a thought leader in your niche, attract a loyal following, and make money without having to create anything from scratch. So when we talk about making six figures without creating any content, we're really talking about the power of curation. It's about leveraging the vast amount of content already out there and presenting it in a way that provides value to your audience. So it's not about creating new content, but intelligently using what's already out there. Now, let's break down the process into easy-to-follow steps. First off, you'll want to identify a niche. This is a specific area of interest or expertise that you are passionate about. Maybe it's fitness, maybe it's vegan cooking, or maybe it's digital marketing. The key is to find something that you are genuinely interested in and that has a substantial audience. This is the foundation on which your content curation will stand. Next, you'll need to start selecting high-quality content. This is the bread and butter of your operation. Your goal is to become a reliable source of top-tier information for your chosen niche. You can do this by following industry leaders, subscribing to relevant publications, or even setting up Google alerts for specific keywords. The key is to become a human filter, only letting through the best and most relevant content for your audience. Once you have a collection of high-quality content, it's time to add value with insightful commentary. This is where you get to flex your expertise. You're not just regurgitating information, you're providing analysis, context, and perspective. Think of yourself as a DJ, mixing and remixing content to create something fresh and engaging. You might highlight a key point, pose a thought-provoking question, or draw connections between different pieces of content. The goal is to create a dialogue with your audience rather than a monologue. Now, you might be wondering, I've got my niche, I've got my content, and I've got my commentary, but how do I get it in front of people? Well, that's where promotion comes in. There are many ways to promote your curated content, from social media to email newsletters to guest blogging. The key is to find where your audience hangs out and meet them there. And remember, promotion isn't just about pushing your content, it's about engaging with your audience, building relationships, and creating a community. So, let's recap. To make 6 figures without creating any content, you need to 1. Identify a niche. 2. Select high-quality content. 3. Add value with insightful commentary. 4. Promote your curated content. Each step is crucial, and skipping one could hinder your success. But with a bit of patience, persistence, and passion, you can turn content curation into a lucrative career. Follow these steps, and you're on your way to making 6 figures without creating any content. Before we wrap up, let's summarize the key points we've discussed. Today, we've explored an intriguing possibility: the power of content curation and the steps to success in making 6 figures without creating any content at all. Let's revisit the concept of content curation. It's the act of gathering, organizing, and presenting digital content that surrounds specific subject matter. It's not about creating new content, but rather about finding, grouping, organizing, and sharing the most relevant content on a particular issue. This is a powerful tool in the digital age, where information overload is a real issue. By curating content, you're helping your audience cut through the noise and find the information that matters to them. Now, let's refresh our memories on the steps to successful content curation. First, it begins with finding high-quality content that aligns with your audience's interests. This could be blog posts, articles, videos, podcasts, or anything else that provides valuable information. Next, you need to organize this content in a way that's easy for your audience to digest. This could be through a blog, a newsletter, a social media account, or any other platform where your audience spends their time. Finally, you need to share this curated content with your audience, adding your own insights and commentary to provide additional value. We've also discussed the importance of consistency, authenticity, and engagement in content curation. It's crucial to regularly produce curated content to keep your audience engaged, to be authentic in your curation process by adding your own thoughts and insights, and to engage with your audience by responding to comments and feedback. I encourage you to start your content curation journey today. It's an amazing way to provide value to your audience, establish authority in your niche, and make 6 figures without creating any content at all. And the best part? You're not starting from scratch. You're leveraging the vast amount of high-quality content that's already out there. Remember, it's not about creating new content, but intelligently using what's already out there. Earning 6 figures without creating content may seem like a dream, but it's entirely possible. Now, this isn't some pipe dream or a far-fetched idea. It's a practical, achievable goal. And yes, you can make it happen. You have the power to turn the tide in your favor, to curate content and create value for others while reaping the benefits for yourself. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. So why not let that step be towards the realm of content curation? Embrace the potential that lies in this field. Harness the power of the internet and start your journey towards financial success. And as you embark on this journey, remember, success doesn't come overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a whole lot of learning. But the rewards, they're well worth the journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success in the world of content curation.